Welcome to our channel Competitive Examinations. Today's comprehensive video on reasoning test specifically designed for aspiring bank clerks. If you're preparing for bank exams and want to master reasoning skills, this video is made for you. We'll cover everything you need to know to excel in your reasoning tests and secure good marks to get your dream job in banking. As you know, competitive examinations world has tough competition to crack. When we talk about the reasoning test, even the smartest ones become confused and worry no need to be confused at all. It's all about playing games with clever tricks and smart methods. In this video, we will explore the topic with explanation like question, marks, duration, and time, etc. We will focus and catch important part of portions. Overall, we will guide you thoroughly and cover up all areas of reasoning test pattern. Let's upgrade the skill and unlock the potential together.
Today's topic is Ultimate Guide to Pattern of Reasoning Test for Bank Clerk. Let's begin with Exam Pattern. 1. Understand the exam pattern. Aspirants will have to articulate the understanding the reasoning test, pattern understanding and learning. Reasoning test has to divide into part of section. It's must to make easy for grasping the tricks and methods. So reasoning ability section is consist of 30-35 questions with total 30-35 to solve within given specific time of period. For preliminary exam 20 minutes has been fixed. Aspirants should prepare and practice on given topics. Topics: puzzles, seating arrangement, syllogism, inequalities, blood relations, etc. 2. Important topics to master. Have heard the phrase, jack of all trade but master of none. It means a person who is skilled at many things, but does not excel at any particular one. So go slow, steady and command on each topic by regular practice and preparation. Plan to practice and preparation, like measuring the high percentage of topic, which is compulsory to come in exam. Break down the topic as per weightage and start learn and study. Breakdown is given in video with topic weightage and tips. Please read carefully and try to solve the problem in this way. 3. Step-by-step preparation strategy. Make study plan with strategy. Like after learning the one part of reasoning test section thoroughly, then jump into another topic. Always remember practice and practice make the man perfect. So begin to study basics of the topic, then go to next level. Plan and strategies are mentioned here. A. Basics first. B. Topic-wise practice. C. Time management. D. Accuracy speed. E. No guesswork. F. Mock tests. G. Previous year papers. In video, we have defined above points in detail. 4. Top tips to crack reasoning fast. First step should be to attempt that problem on which you have full confidence. It will solved fast as you have command on it. Second, draw the diagram. It will help you to guide and make you understand to get solutions. Thirdly, learn tricks and short out method to solve syllogism. Learn either or cases properly. Fourth point is practice new pattern questions, especially for coding, decoding and puzzles. Fifth and finally, do daily mini quizzes, like 10-minute reasoning quizzes for warm-up. 5. Best resources. We have mentioned some famous book with link given to buy or purchase. We have also given website and channel names with provided links to visit. Please check out description box for links. Books like 1. A Modern Approach to Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning, R.S. Aggarwal. 2. Puzzle Mania, Olive Board or Magical Book on Puzzle, K. Kundan. B. Apps websites like 1. Olive Board. 2. Udder 247. 3. Practice Mock. 4. Free daily quizzes on Grade Up or Testbook. See YouTube channels are 1. Udder 247 Reasoning Classes. 2. Study IQ Banking Reasoning Playlist. 6. Daily Practice Plan Exam. Regular and daily practice, preparation and mock test will help you to boosting your confidence and accelerate the ability to score a better marks to achieve your dreams bank job. We have prepared schedule list demo for your reference in the video, so watch video till the end. Focus on all sections of reasoning test, do regular practice and make study plan. No one can beat you to achieve the goal. That's all for the day. You are watching Ultimate Guide to Pattern of Reasoning Test for Bank Clerk.
In today's video, we covered pattern of reasoning. Important topics. Remember to step-by-step preparation. Resources and mock tests are important to do every day. Don't forget to practice regularly and create a study plan. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching.